Hello everyone. Welcome to our video guide on how to shop at UNEXCO Prints. First, open Instagram and search for UNEXCO Prints. Once you find our page, click on the link in our bio to visit our website. This is our website, showcasing our latest arrivals featuring unique designs and high-quality products. Explore our collections, including category options and limited editions. Shopping has never been easier. Select the product you like and choose your preferred size and colors. Find a style that suits you best. You will see some mock-ups displayed, which will help you visualize your choices. After making your selection, proceed to the bag section to review your items before checkout. On the Confirm Order page, make sure to apply our launch discount coupon code for an instant 10% off your total purchase. Fill in all required information, including your name, phone number, address, and PIN code accurately. Finally, click on Place Order and relax while we take care of the rest. Your order will be delivered within 6 to 9 days, and don't worry, we offer free shipping across India. So what are you waiting for? Start your shopping journey now at UNEXCO Prints. Made to move, UNEXCO, your fashion destination awaits.